If you're wondering that are AirTags supported with Samsung phones or not, so in this video I will answer this question. So the short answer is no. An Apple AirTag cannot be paired, set up, or be tracked natively with a Samsung phone. An AirTag requires an Apple device to be used. Now, although you cannot use an AirTag with your Samsung phone, but your Samsung phone can detect AirTags which are close to it. To do that, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your Samsung phone. Now from here, just tap on Open, select Agree, tap on Dismiss, then tap on Scan. And after you do that, then tap on Next and select Allow. Tap on Scan and select Allow. And just tap on Scan one more time. And after you do that, your Samsung phone will start scanning for any AirTag which might be tracking you. And as you can see, it has detected the name of our AirTag. And from here, you can tap on the name of the AirTag and you can make the AirTag produce a sound to find it. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.